beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who do not know me, I'm Kamogelo. Unfortunately, I didn't do an intro for this video because I was so excited to go hiking, so I'm only doing the intro right now. So I hope you guys like, subscribe and comment on my video, and I hope you like the content. Bye. Look at that. I am so exhausted and we're not even there yet. So yeah. The cars are so loud. So we are going over there. I want to see the view from the top. I'm sure the sunset is going to be beautiful. I am sweating my ass off because I'm not an active person. So I'm with my cousin and my little brother. I am tired because I am a lazy girl. But I want to see the sunset and the view. So yeah. Look at them. I can never do this. I'm not sure if I should go back or what. Oh my god. And there is his two friends. Guys, just look. Yo! Like walking. Yo! The walking distance was crazy. And to climb those stairs, I'm never doing that though. I'll do it like probably next year because it's my first time. I've always wanted to come here and see the sunset and the view, but I was too afraid. So today I just decided, you know what, I'm doing it. So yeah, it was nice. At least I can still see that I'm kind of active. I thought I was gonna give up on those days, but I didn't. Yeah, my little brother's taking some cute videos. Going. So let me follow them. Yeah. If I wasn't that afraid of heights, would probably go there, but maybe one day. Who knows? Look at my shoes. And I don't know where I live, but yeah, weird. So I don't know if we're continuing to that other mountain or what, because they're not saying anything and they're walking so far away from me. I don't know. We'll just see.
Hey, my sister. How do you feel? How do you feel? Yeah? How do you feel, my sister?
I feel tired.
Feel tired? Okay. Alright.
You see, we are dead. The grass up there. Hello, Pop. Eh? Flopless. Ako pala na dinilin siya niyo ba? Literally haga. Diyo ko na lumang sa laba doon sa ilabi.
So all I'm gonna say is today was good and we are walking home, even though cars passing by are making such a noise that I'm not sure if y'all can hear me. So yeah, if ever the video was kind of loud, especially with the cars passing by, I'm gonna shoot just a little intro of today. So yeah, I really enjoyed myself, even though I look so dirty. But I did enjoy myself. So yeah. So I just got home and I am tired. I am dirty. I feel dirty. So what I'm gonna do is take a shower. But it was a good a good hike. I really enjoyed it, even though my legs are killing me because I'm not an active
Killing
person.
me softly.
I love brother's annoying, guys. And if he thinks I'm gonna cut this part, I'm not. I'm just gonna put it as it is.
Let's play some Xbox.
As it is. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed every bit of it. So yeah, I'm out
Peace.
with my broken nail.
Peace.